Okay, now this one we're going to need to factor the top and the bottom. So first things first, I see that I've got a negative sign. So let's circle that. Okay, I've got that negative sign, so I need to apply it to both of the terms. So I'm going to say that's a same as a negative 2v, and so that's also the same as a negative 16. So I remember how to combine my terms. So I've got v squared, and there's no other like term, so v squared minus 4v minus 2v. So that is a minus 6v, and then I've got a minus 16. Okay, so on the bottom I've got 5v squared plus 9v minus 2. There's nothing I can factor out of those immediately, so I'm just going to rewrite it at this point. Plus 9v minus 2. Okay, over on this side, I'm going to deal with factoring that polynomial, and over here I'll factor the denominator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see what two numbers, when I multiply them, give me negative 16, and at the same time sum up to negative 6. Okay, well, I know 8 and 2 will give me 16, so 8 and 2. Now, if I want that to sum up to a negative 6, I need to make the bigger number negative, and negative 8 times 2 is a negative 16. So it looks like I found my numerator, the factors for the polynomial in my numerator. So I have x minus 8 times the quantity x plus 2, all of that over. Let's find out. Now, I need to slide and divide. Slide and divide. So I'm going to say 5 times negative 2. So I know that I need to multiply to negative 10, but then I need to add to a 9. Okay, well, I know 1 times 10 is, I know 1 times 10 is 10. I want to get to a positive 9. So that means that my 10 needs to be positive. So my 1 will be negative. So let's see, negative 1 times 10 is negative 10. Negative 1 plus 10 is 9. So I'm going to rewrite my polynomial as x minus 1 times the quantity x plus 10. Oh, but wait a second. I did a slide and divide. So that 1 needs to be divided by 5, and that 10 needs to be divided by 5. So 1 divided by 5 is, let's actually, write my numerator first before I start all that business. Okay, now I can work on my denominator. So 1 divided by 5, it doesn't simplify to a whole number. So what I need to do is pull my 5 back out, and so I have 5x minus 1. And then, but 10 over 5 reduces to 2, so I'm left with x plus 2. That's nice. Those cancel out, and I am left with x minus 8 over 5x minus 1. That is my answer. And you can go ahead now and give this kind of problem a try.